Welcome to InsightfulValue.com. Japan Post Bank Co., Ltd. is one of the largest banks in Japan and one of the largest deposit-holding institutions in the world. It was established as part of the privatization of Japan Post, the government-owned postal and financial services entity, and officially began operations in its current form on September 1st, 2006. The origins of its banking operations trace back to the Japanese postal savings system, which was launched in 1875 and became deeply integrated into Japan's financial and social infrastructure over more than a century. Headquartered in Tokyo, Japan Post Bank is a subsidiary of Japan Post Holdings, which is in turn majority owned by the Japanese government. The bank plays a unique role in Japan's financial system due to its size, reach, and historical connection to public trust. Japan Post Bank's business model centers primarily on retail banking. It has an extensive physical presence across Japan with access to over 24,000 post office branches and thousands of ATMs nationwide. This widespread distribution network allows it to provide financial services to a broad population, including in rural and underbanked areas where other private banks may have limited access. The bank's customer base includes a high proportion of elderly individuals who rely on it for savings accounts, remittances, and pension-related services. The bank is known for offering basic deposit accounts and fixed-term savings products rather than complex financial instruments. In addition to deposit taking, Japan Post Bank manages a large portfolio of investment assets. It allocates a significant portion of its funds into Japanese government bonds and other low-risk fixed-income securities, which aligns with its conservative risk profile. This investment strategy is intended to preserve capital and ensure liquidity, though it also results in relatively modest returns, particularly in a low-interest rate environment like Japan. The bank has historically refrained from large-scale lending, especially in riskier corporate sectors, although it has been gradually exploring ways to expand lending and diversify revenue sources. Japan Post Bank serves both retail and institutional clients, but is primarily focused on individual customers. Its role in the financial system is partly shaped by its legacy as a government-run savings institution. Because of its stability and large deposit base, it is seen as a low-risk, conservative financial institution. The Japanese government's ownership stake also adds to perceptions of security, although ongoing privatization efforts are gradually reducing this influence. In terms of market position, Japan Post Bank stands out not just in Japan but globally due to the sheer size of its assets under management. It consistently ranks among the top banks in the world by deposits. Its position is somewhat unique as it combines characteristics of a retail bank, an investment institution, and a public utility. However, it faces challenges from Japan's aging population, digital transformation, and increasing competition from private sector financial institutions and fintech companies. As a whole, Japan Post Bank is a deeply rooted, highly trusted institution that plays a vital role in Japan's economy. It emphasizes safety, liquidity, and stability over high returns, making it attractive to conservative savers. While it operates in a challenging macroeconomic environment with historically low interest rates, its vast distribution network, customer loyalty, and government legacy provide it with a durable foundation.